Hello, welcome back for another lesson. Last time we have studied the difference between two types of mixtures, heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. This time we will tackle the difference between the two types of pure substances. These are the elements and compounds. So let us go back to our concept map regarding matter. Here, as you could see, matter has two classifications. Matter could exist as a mixture and matter could also exist as pure substances. And let us have this figure to visualize the particles of matter. If we will going to recall and visualize the particles on the right box, if we have a micro magic hand that could get and hold the particles inside, there are two possible particles that we could get. One is the yellow particle and another one is the blue particle. Because they are not attached to each other, we could have a variety, blue and yellow, and that makes it as a mixture. Now, on the left box, using our magic hand, we could only get one sample of the particles, and that is always one blue and one yellow, because they are attached to each other. That means 100% of the time we will always get them both. This makes now the left box to be a pure substance. And now, from its definition, pure substance is a matter that has definite or constant composition and distinct properties. Question now is the left box, or if the left box is a pure substance, what type of pure substance? Under pure substances, matter could be an element or a compound. So, is this an element or compound? So, let me give you now the definition of the two. Element is a substance that cannot be separated into simpler substances by chemical means. Whereas compound, these are substances that made up of two or more elements chemically united in fixed proportion. This means that element cannot be separated because it is already alone. Compound, on the other hand, is made up of two or more elements. In this case, two elements are the yellow and blue. They are united in fixed proportion. What is that proportion? 1 is to 1. One blue is joined by one yellow. Is there any sample that we could get aside from one yellow with one blue? None. Therefore, this box represents and falls best to the description of a compound. It is very simple to identify the elements which are said to be cannot be separated anymore. They can be found in what's called as the periodic table of elements. Here is a sample. So we have here hydrogen, helium, lithium, etc. So let me give you another example, a figure for water. Is it an element or a compound? This is water. Great, it is a compound. It is made up of two hydrogen that are always attached to one oxygen, and that is the ratio 2 is to 1. How about salt? Yes, made up of sodium with a symbol of Na and chlorine with a symbol of Cl attached together in a ratio of 1 is to 1. Yes, it is also a compound. Last is the air we breathe out, which is the carbon dioxide. It is made up of two oxygen and one carbon. So here's example of the carbon dioxide. Okay, so here's the carbon dioxide. Okay, good. Now, on the last part of this video, let us try to answer this visualization. I'm going to present to you four boxes. You answer it as mixtures or pure substances. If your answer is a pure substance, you write element or compound. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so here are the four boxes. Paused. Great. So let us see your answer. The first box is a pure substance. To be specific, it is an element. The second box is also a pure substance. To be specific, this is a compound. The reason, yes, though it is made up of only two grains, yet they could still be separated. Unlike element, they cannot. Okay, on the third box is pure substance. The nature is compound. And the last box is mixture. That's all. Thank you very much.